Got the new part for the rear latch. I've got to work quickly because I think it's going to run any minute now. I'm going to get it bolted in and then I'm going to figure out the other end. There's a snapped off bit. Well, this is easy. Oh, it's going to piss down. I'm going to disconnect that. And I think it just clicks in here. A little ball at the end of the cable. Show one out. Right. There we go. Well, that highlights the slight wonkiness of this door. Back of the van is secure now. I'm happy with that. Rescuing this cable assembly here because there's not enough armour to protect that cable. Test one of these cable tidies. Only cost me £1. I'm gonna disconnect it from this end. All of the cable assemblies are modular. Just going to break these off. There's a myth that plastic lasts for thousands of years. Can't imagine that this is going to work. I think it's going to snag all the way down. It does work, look at that. No, it doesn't, it's too long. Apart from being too long, it does work. Wind that in a bit. I'm very happy with that. Just one of those. Springs attached to that end. There's a little carriage that slides backwards and forwards along this rail. Door goes all the way back, pulls nice and tight, cable is protected, and then as I shut it, yeah, we're genius.